All right, guys, welcome to your Success Mind tutor, training the brain how to get information and keep information in your exam and help you to pass. So don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, and comment. Okay, so guys, today we're going to look at simplify different kind of questions. So we're going to have about 9 questions about simplify different questions. So these questions have been gotten from different past papers. There is one from 2025, 2024, and 2018, 2019. We have all those kind of questions here. So we are going to start with this one, which is our first one. So here we're going to say 2 minus 6. Okay, 6 what? 6p. We close our bracket, then we open again another bracket. Since we have a square there, so we are going to have 1 plus 3p, close bracket, over 3p plus 1. So this one goes, that one goes. The answer is equals to 2 minus 6p. Okay, you guys are following? This is the answer. So we come to this one, question 2. So 2 says simplify. We have 3x squared y over 8x y to the power 3. So you divide 9x to the power 3 over 4y to the power 4. So here, guys, what we do, you don't just divide from here. So you change this sign into multiplication. So these guys, they swap. This 9 comes down, this 4 goes up. So we're going to say 3x squared y over 8x y to the power 3. So you say multiplication here. You introduce multiplication. So these guys, they swap, as I said. So this one come here. So 4y to the power 4 over 9x to the power 3. So here, guys, now we can divide. So we can say now 3 into 3, that's 1. 3 into 9, that's 3. So we can say now 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 8, that's 2. So we have y there. So we can say 3y into that, we remain with 1y there. Okay, so when we say we remain with what? 1y there. So now we have x, so we can say x goes x, remain with what? 1x there. So here we are going to say we have there is y there, so we have y squared over, under here what do we have? Under here we only have what? We have 2x. Okay, that is 2x. We have y squared 2x. That's our answer when we divide. Okay, guys, when we divide. So we were going to multiply. There is a y that has remained there, so we are going to say y times y times y there. That is going to give us this y squared. So from here it is done. So here there is a x that remained while we were dividing. So we remained with what? We remained with 1x there. So, we remained with 2x. There is 1x there as well. So here we have also 2x squared, guys. Okay, so this is our answer, 2x squared. This is our answer. So we are going to question number 3. So question number 3 is the same as question number 2. So it says 3. It says 14 over 9. So you're going to say y squared divide 7x to the power 4 over 18 y to the power 3. So from here now, we are going to divide. Before we divide, we're going to introduce a multiplication sign. So we are going to say 14 over 9y squared. Then we say multiplication. Then we say 18 3. Don't forget, guys, that when you introduce a multiplication, these two guys are interchanged. So here we have 7x to the power 4. So now you can divide 7, 7, 1, 7 there 2. So you say 9 there 1, 9 there 2. Okay, so y goes, y will remain with 1 y there. So so when you divide based on how the question was, when you divide this question, I'm sure here there was an x, guys, sorry, there was an x squared. Okay, so there was an x squared, so x and x, that one goes, so it's going to be 2 times 2, and we remain with what, times what, y, and down here we remain with what, we remain with 2x there, so remain with 1 times x squared. When we multiply, it's taking us back to the answer is 4y. Okay, 4y over x squared. Okay, so from here we are done with our simplify. So simplify simply means make it simple. So we are coming to question 4. So question 4 is 2x squared minus 8 over x plus 2. So from here, guys, we're going to make it simple, to simplify it. So now what we're going to do here, we're going to say, since there is x squared there, so we're going to say, since there is what, there is x squared there, so we are going to say here, we are going to say 2x plus, so we're going to say 2x plus 4. Okay, then we open another bracket. We are going to say now, we are going to say x, we're going now to say x, we're going to say x plus 2. Okay, close bracket over. So we know when we multiply this times this, it will take us back to what, to 8. This times that, it will take us to 2x squared. So we say x plus 2. So from here now we cancel this one and that one goes, so our answer is 2x plus 4. That's our answer, just like that, guys. Okay, hope you're following. So that was the question 4. We're going to question 5. So question 5, okay, so I have 2 4s here, so I'll bring this one as question 5. So 5, we have again a 5 minus 4 over b. So here we are going to say b is a common denominator. We're going to say 5 minus 4, which is equals to 1 over what, over b. Your answer is done. So we come to 6. 6 is 3. Question 6, it is 3 ab plus a over b minus b over a. So here what you're going to do, you're going to say, since we have a common denominators here, like ab, b is also there, so we can say ab, then we say 3 plus a. Okay, that is 3 plus a. Okay, guys, that is 3 plus a. Okay, guys, are we together, guys? On question number 6, so this is 9. That is 9, so we're going to say b, we have b there, so we're going to say 3 plus 9. Okay, so 3 plus 9, we don't leave that thing there, that is b over a. So we're going to say equals, so we're going to say, okay, guys, so this is a, so it's going to be 3a over ab minus b over a. So since we have the common denominator, which is ab, so we're going to subtract from it, so there is a minus there. So from here they're saying what is 3a minus b. Okay, Then the minus A simply means subtract. Okay, so it's going to be 3A minus B over AB. That's our answer, guys. Okay, that's our answer. So we go to question 3 minus AB. So we now come to question, we're on question, now we are going to question, we're going to question 6. So we're going to say question 6 here. We're going to say question 6. Okay, so we're going to say question 6. Question 6 is here. So question 6 is here. So hope you pay attention, guys. So question 6, it is we are going to say y plus 1 over y squared minus 1. Y squared minus 1. So here we are going to say, we're simply going to say here that we're going to just say y plus 1 over, so here since we have squared, we are going to say 1. We're going to say y minus 1, close bracket. So we're going to say again then y plus 1, close bracket. So we see these are similar, so this one goes, this one goes. So the answer, it will be y minus 1. That's the answer. So we come to 7. So our 7 is 99 m to the power 3 n to the power 2 over 20 p to the power 2, then q to the power 3, then divide 33 m to the power 4 and n over 40. That is 40 p to the power 40 p to the power 2 and q to the power 3. So from here, guys, you know what I said in the first place. So here we're going to, these they will interchange. We're going to introduce a multiplication sign. So we say 99, and that is m to the power 3, n to the power 2, then we have over 20, p to the power 2, then we have q to the power 3. So I say these guys, they interchange. So introduce multiplication. So 40 will be here. So we have p squared and 3 cube root, q cube root, which is to the power 3. Then we're going to say 33 m to the power 4, then n to power 1. So guys, how it now here, what we're supposed to do from here, guys, what we're supposed to do from here, it is now to cancel. So I'm just going to say 3 into 9, it is 3. 3 into 9, it is what? 3. Okay, so from here now we are going to say 2 into there, it is 2. Okay, so all of it have gone. So we are going to say we have 2p there and also have 2p. So p and p goes. Q and q goes. M and m goes, remain with 1 m there. Then here we remain with 1 m there, n goes. So we are going to say the answer to be 33 times 33 n times 2 over here. What do we have? Here everything has gone, p has gone, q has gone. So we are only remaining with what? With m. So our answer, we are going to say our answer, it is what? Our answer is 66 over m. Alright guys, so now we're on number 8. So we're going to say 4p over 3q divide p squared over q over 6 times p. So we have times p q over 2. So here guys, we are going to say 4p over 3q. We're going to say times. So this they'll change. So 6 will go there, then p, q will come here. Okay? So we're going to say times p. We're going to say times pq over what? Over 2. So it has all become multiplication. So now we are going to divide. Okay, guys? We are going to divide. So we are going to say Now we can divide. So we are going to say now 3 here, that's 1. 3 there, that's what? 2. So we're going to say P there, 1, P there, gone. Okay? So here we had P to the power 2, so guys. So we remain with 1 P there. Then we also have Q here. So Q and Q has gone. Okay? So we also have 1 there. Then we say there it's 2. So we are remaining with 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times P over, we have Q times P times 1. So the answer goes to 4P over, so we have QP, that's all. So 4P over QP. We have simplified like this, guys. We go to our last question, that is 9. Our question 9, so it says 1 minus 4x squared over 1 plus 2x. So here, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to say 1 minus 2x, close bracket, then we'll say 1 plus 2x. Okay, so when you multiply this, it will give us 4x squared over, open bracket, 1 plus x, 2x. So this one goes, that one goes. Our answer goes to 1 negative 2x. So just like that, guys, you have simplified. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in my next video where we'll do single fractions in different past papers. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.